Good morning everyone. I am Angelera Darren Pinila from BSID 1A. I will discuss to all of you how computers helps the engineering sector and agriculture sector. Introduction to agriculture. Technology is becoming more and more vital to agriculture. From planting to harvesting, computers and software help farmers increase productivity, reduce waste, and improve sustainability. Precision agriculture. Farmers now use technology like sensors, GPS, and drones to monitor their crops and soil. This allows them to provide just the right amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides, reducing waste and improving crop health. Farm management software. Modern farms are using software to keep track of everything from planting schedules to market demand. With these tools, farmers can plan better, monitor crop health in real time, and analyze their farm performance. Analytics in agriculture. Big data is helping farmers predict crop yields, understand soil health, and make better decisions by analyzing historical data, weather patterns, and market trends. Farmers can increase their chances of success. IT in agriculture. Imagine a world where everything is connected through the Internet of Things. IoT. Sensors on the ground, in the water, and in the air can send real-time data to farmers who can then make good-day decisions to improve production. Weather forecasting in areas. Accurate weather forecasting combined with geographic information systems (GIS) allows farmers to plan ahead, reduce risk, and make smarter decisions based on their specific environment and geography. Introduction to engineering. Like agriculture, the engineering world has been transformed by technology. From the way buildings are designed to how machines are made, computer applicants have made engineers work faster, smarter, and more efficient. Computer-aided design. Engineers use CAD software to create their design of products, buildings, and machines. This program allows for precise drafting and modeling which takes time and reduces human error. Building information modeling. What is BMI? BMI is used by architects and construction teams to create digital models of buildings before they're built. These models help with planning, collaboration, and ensuring that every detail of the construction is accurate. Finite elements analysis. Engineers use PEA to test how strong a material or structure is before it's built. This software helps them simulate force like wind or wave to make sure their designs can handle the pressure. Project management software. Managing big engineering projects requires keeping track of materials, labor, and deadlines. Software like Microsoft Project or Primavera help teams stay organized and on track. Thank you, and that's all. Thank you for listening, everyone. Goodbye.